I'm here at Carriers World this week in London with Total Telecom, and I'm here with Frank Paterno, Vice President of Business Development at PGI. Frank, hi. There's been a lot of talk at all of the sessions at the show this week around carriers using service and data through SaaS providers. Tell us a bit more about your thoughts on this.
Yeah, sure. So, the carriers are the transport providers. So no matter which services we use from all of these SaaS providers, whether it's a mobile app or whether it's a platform like Microsoft platform, a Salesforce.com platform, we're using the connectivity from our carriers. But the carriers are not participating. They're just passing the data along to the SaaS providers, and they're not participating in the revenue stream or the business at all. So what the SaaS providers have been able to do is to basically create APIs that bring other services into their platform and then go around the carrier. What we're really hoping the carriers can do, what we're encouraging to do, what we're talking about this week, is how can the carriers do the same thing? How can we use APIs to connect with the SaaS providers, bring that data into their network, and then provide it to their customers? And actually make some money off of it and participate in the revenue stream. And what's really interesting is that there's several big SaaS providers now, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, that have created sort of ecosystems of their own. So carriers also have the opportunity to sort of consolidate across them. So if I'm an enterprise and I have data in all three of those cloud ecosystems, why can't my carrier bring them all together for me and be sort of the exchange or the clearinghouse for me? So a big opportunity in front of us, I think.
Is this a new approach? Is it more traditional?
Yeah, so carriers have used APIs in the past, but not in this way. We've got a lot of experience using APIs for moving provisioning and billing data around. Nothing really that it would be considered a value add, but more of a functional utilitarian type of use of APIs. So the good news is we have the skill set to build APIs, but we have to think about using them in a different way. They have to really get looked at in a business development functionality, and what can we do that we're not doing today and actually make some money off of it? How do we monetize APIs? It's a $1 million question that I wish every carrier wishes they can answer, of course.
It sounds like a minefield. How does PGI, what's your approach to this?
Yeah, so we would be considered one of those SaaS providers. So we're not a carrier. We are a global collaboration and UC provider. So what we do is we provide applications to the carriers so they can do exactly that. The carriers have the local presence, the brand name, the network. PGI has the application, the deep application experience in conferencing, collaboration, things like video sharing and screen sharing and integration with all different kinds of systems. We bring that to the carrier, integrate with their network, and then let them take it to their market. So we're sort of living what we're preaching here this week. Now what we'd like to do is increase the amount of stickiness between us and the carrier, so using APIs to exchange data back and forth, so they're not just reselling our service, but they're sort of integrating it into their product and bringing a new bundle to the market rather than just a labeled version of our product.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.